Hey everybody, we're here at 2000 Town Center, Southfield, Michigan. These are the parking garage elevators for the 2000 building. Schindler Haughton's. Let's go to 4. Ooh, look at that indicator. Oh, that's cool. Rough stop. A little bumpy on the way up. Nice elevator though. It's ironic because you got the star for the main floor and then you got 3 that says lobby. So technically you got 2 star forms. It's kind of interesting. Okay, we'll send it away and we'll see if we can get the right one. These are nice elevators. Serial number, 2,500 pound capacity. All right, let's go up. Door post didn't work. Jeez, those doors slam. Let's watch the doors again. Door close actually works on the Schindler. I think it was going to go in viscosity control. Nope, that's just the motor of the doors. Watch this. I love that arrow. That is so cool. All right. Blend it out here. That'll be it.